At Greenhash, quality defines professionalism. Each dry cooler undergoes meticulous appearance inspection, precise dimensional verification, rigorous electrical testing, and full system debugging, guaranteeing reliable performance across diverse deployment environments. First, we start with a full visual inspection of the product's appearance. From sheet metal to fins and welds, every component is checked for structural integrity, cleanliness, and accuracy against design drawings. Nameplates and safety labels are double verified, while each fastener is confirmed to be correctly installed and aligned. Precision matters. In this phase, we verify all critical dimensions, including fin pitch, pipe diameters, and flange positions against engineering standards. Every measurement is cross-checked within tight tolerances to ensure consistency, compatibility, and performance in the field. Although the main pipeline has already passed full water immersion testing, we go further. A secondary leak check is conducted using foam spray at connection nuts and welded joints. Dry nitrogen is injected at 1.6 bar and held for 24 hours to ensure complete airtight integrity. This stage ensures safe electrical operation and reliable fan performance. From grounding and insulation tests to real-time temperature monitoring and fan rotation validation, each function is thoroughly verified under both manual and automatic conditions. The system must perform flawlessly across all electrical and mechanical checkpoints before leaving the factory. Each Greenhash produced dry cooler is delivered only after passing rigorous quality checks and debugging. Quality isn't just a standard, it's our strongest commitment to partners.